Hey, it's Chris Yates. Seeing a lot of these past memories has made me reflect back upon my time with PASS and being involved with PASS. I can remember my first PASS Summit was in 2011, and I've shared that story many times with many people. I think for me personally, some of the memories, the most fondest memories that I've had are those connections made at the summit, those one-off conversations that you see happening in the hallways after the sessions, after the great learning, talking with different speakers, talking with different vendors. Those conversations have morphed over time, and they've allowed me to grow as a data professional. Has expanded my mindset, my knowledge, and I think those are immeasurable. I think as I think back, some of the most fundamental conversations that have helped me along the way, not necessarily tech per se, have occurred at PASS Summit. People from Australia, from all over the world, and I can't thank the people enough. I mean, it's been one heck of an amazing ride. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I'd be a user group leader. Never thought in my wildest dreams I would become a SQL Saturday organizer, helping to lead those groups. Never thought I'd be a PASS director. And I think all those are a culmination of over the years of having a desire and passion to help connect the community, but also it goes back to those one-on-one conversations. I mean, the mentors that I've had over the years is just phenomenal. I look forward to many more years. I hope that you take the time to share your past memories. I think they're important. I think they're important to reflect back on the times that we've shared. There's been a lot of good times, and I hope that you would use the hashtag that's been presented. I think it's hashtag past memories. I look forward to hearing more. There's been a lot of great ones come through, and look forward to connecting with you, hopefully in the near future. If you see me out and about, stop and say hi. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks.